Hi, I'm Paul O'Connor, product owner for RouteMagic. RouteMagic is changing the face of van sales automation, using technology to increase turnover, profitability, and efficiency for van sales operators. RouteMagic gives you the control through easy to set up business rules at all levels of your organization, managing company-wide or route settings to ensure that you meet customers' expectations and requirements. Here's a brief demonstration of some of these key features. RouteMagic keeps you firmly in control of your business through easy workflow settings at company level, where you can globally control the options that you allow your staff to have. At individual employee or route level, where you can determine how they progress through their daily tasks, and even at customer level, where you can specify for each customer's delivery points how you would wish your staff to operate. So for this customer here, we can go through and you can see that they must give a signature. They are allowed to make returns. So you can very simply, very easily configure the application to make sure that your users obey all of the instructions and company settings that you want to put in place. Ensuring customers are visited regularly is vital to maintaining customer loyalty. RouteMagic helps in this by giving each customer a schedule of when your rep will visit. So against Budgin stores here, we have 2 delivery points that we visit, and we can go to the first one here and you can set up a van schedule to say that this customer is serviced by van 1 on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays. And once that is saved, that is held and stored against that customer. For each customer, you can also maintain the price list, which they've been allocated to, and any whitelists or blacklists where you may have an approved product strategy where only certain items can be sold into each customer. The route schedule is easily visible through our route planner, and we can see here for van 1 that we're visiting Budgins today on the Monday, which is our regular cycle to visit that customer. We can also easily see which calls our reps are due to make just by a quick click onto a button, and it will show the customers they're due to visit and the general direction and route that we have allocated to them to make sure that is the best route for you and for your customers that can be allocated, that can be optimized, and calls positioned in the most advantageous route for you as a business owner. Time with customers is precious, and your team need to maximize each and every opportunity. RouteMagic prompts your van sales reps to do just that with these key features. The route monitor in RouteMagic gives you an up-to-date view and allows you to track the progress of all of your van sales team. So from our handheld device, the driver is empowered to maximize every sales opportunity. Going through to service a customer, when he selects the customer, he's presented with some background information about that organization, any messages that you want to share with him from the office out to the van sales driver. And when we go through to start making a sale, we have a number of options available to us. Sales history allows us to look at the last 5 orders that have gone through for that customer, and we can take those orders and we can add those on to create a brand new order. Planogram enables us to have a standard shelf layout. So here with our ice cream details, we've got that we should end up with 3 on shelf of each of these flavors, and we can go through and we can just enter in the stock count that we have. So we have actually no Tutti Frutti, and we can go through with our products. It then populates what our order should be. If I can confirm that the planogram is correct, comes through and it builds the order for me. I can now see that I may have promotions available. I can click on the promotions button and it comes up and it tells me here there is a promotion available, which is buy 3 ice cream, get a flake. And I can determine now if I want to take advantage. I just confirm that and it adds it onto the order. I can carry on. I can take any returns, and returns are only available if the customer is authorized to make a return, and secondly, whether it is a product which you can return. I can go through, I've got my visit summary, I can add in any payments I've taken from the customer, I can go through, I can record the payment detail, I can record notes and messages about that transaction, and I can confirm the transaction. If I wish to print, I just go straight through to print and it will then take me through to there. I don't wish to print, just come back out of there. It completes the transaction on the handheld and you'll see that straight away it sends that transaction and detail through to the server, and here we have our transaction for 5-star has been updated, it's completed, and immediately our invoice for 5-star is produced. So here is our draft invoice, which has come through, an unpaid invoice, £110. To motivate our drivers, we use gamification so that any time whilst they're out on the road, the driver can see where they are on the leaderboard, what they've sold against maybe a daily or weekly target, and automatic notifications are sent to each driver to motivate and encourage them to achieve both today's and overachieve the week's target. If you'd like more information, please use the following contact details. Thank you.